The event we've all been waiting for. It's time to weigh the bantamweight World Championship Rack of the Year of the Heavyweight. And let's get ready. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay. So, welcome back everyone. So today we are going to weigh the rack. This is something we've all been waiting for. And I got a scale here and we're going to set it to grams. You can do pounds, you can do ounces, you can do kilograms, and you can do grams. And so as an example, this knife, 130 grams. I suppose that's about right. Let's see, what do I have that I know the weight of? I don't know. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and weigh it. Without further ado, everyone, what do you guys want to guess this is? You want to say, I'm going to guess, actually before I set this on here, because I have not done this yet, I promise I have not cheated, I am going to guess 365 grams because that's approximately what the steel weighed based on all the lengths added up. So here we go. Wow. 311 grams. That is pretty light, much lighter than I was expecting it to be. And you can see I don't have anything else on the rack. I don't have anything holding it up. This is the true weight. So came in less than expected and very lightweight. So in comparison to other racks you might find out there, I know this is quite light because I did look on bikepacking.com's rear rack website and they list a whole bunch of lightweight racks. And I think if you look through that list, you won't find very many that are under 400 grams, maybe only one. And I know one, maybe the titanium one. Okay. So anyway, the other thing I wanted to do is weigh the off-the-shelf rack because I know that this is the option that I could have just used. I could have just used this rack. I already had it. It's one of the aluminum Toe Peak racks here. It's got this aluminum platform and it's very heavy duty aluminum tubing, or yeah, it's aluminum tubing. You can see it's hollow, but it's very stout and it feels a lot heavier. It also has this light on the back, which adds a little weight too. And you know, so to be fair, we should probably take that off. I don't know if I can take it off. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the scale right now. Let's go ahead and put this on the scale. So what does an off-the-shelf Toe Peak aluminum rack weigh? There you go, 784 grams. And I think that's about what they advertise these to be. These are steel straps here, and they all have hardware to hold it on. So all that stuff adds weight. Of course, it's got the light, but that's not too heavy. That's probably 20 grams. So anyway, I just thought I'd show that as a comparison to the custom rack and why you might want to go custom instead of off the shelf. You know, you're saving over a pound just in the rack, and that would, if you think about it, that whole pound you're saving or more is, think about how much it would cost to try to save that in your bike itself, like all the components and the, you know, the seat post, the saddle, the handlebars. You would spend a fortune to save that, and you can do it all with a rack. That assumes if you're, that's assuming you're going bike touring. All right, everyone. Well, thank you for watching. That's the official weigh-in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did this rack, is this rack lighter than you thought it was going to be? Is it too flimsy? Do you think it's going to break? Let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.